prepare yourself because today we've got the most unbelievably idiotic drivers on the road. You won't believe how ridiculous these idiots are. Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Why is everyone in such a rush?
Ironically, so these are the questions that social justice warriors have to answer, and there are these impossible oppositions of this sort. But so the Liam Neeson thing, and forgive me if there's some detail that has come out that I'm not aware of, but my understanding.
Well, at least his blinker's on. Yeah, pretty sure your insurance company wouldn't be a fan of this stupidity. That was a huge mistake, and probably an expensive one too.
Whoa.
This idiot backed halfway across the road while traffic was coming. What do you think happened here? Looks like a cartoon, doesn't it? Is he trying to climb the whole mountain?
Incredible. Right on my backswing. Throw us every time.
What?
This was a big one. Police and an ambulance had to show up.
A few moments later.
Can you read the license plate? That was a close one. Why wait when you can just take a shortcut, right? Good thing he's got some decent tires. Otherwise, that road is pretty slick.
What in the friggin' hell, man?
What was that? This lady stopped the entire lane just to cross. How many lanes did he cross in stupidity? First, this driver runs 2 red lights and then they expect me to believe it's my fault?
My favorite ego is behind this event and just putting together amazing artists. This year, Eric Church, Toto,
Guy doesn't know what a fucking red light is, does he?
of course, Joe Walsh himself.
This guy doesn't know what a fucking red light is either. Green light, you nuts. What? You know what a fucking red light is? Hey. Really? Really? Do you know what a red light is? Do you know what a red light is? Do you know what a red light is? Huh? It's a... Okay. Yeah, throw another fucking thing, baby.
Does he have 2 lives or something? What are you trying to do, bruh? I guess some people just can't stand it when someone goes in front of them. This biker won't be driving with that attitude again. That's why you need to keep an eye on your kids. Did he just watch Fast and Furious before getting behind the wheel?
They're way ahead of them. Stupid fucking retard, man.
Ouch.
Halfway around the turn. Holy shit.
Oh.
Idiot, man.
Damn, I stopped for a reason.
Stay on the Elmer Dur. Stay on the Elmer Dur. Go this one. Stay right here, right?
Right here?
Yeah, keep going.
Should we stop for him?
No, fuck that. Fucking guy. Retarded, man.
This old man needs to get his eyes checked. Such a heavy-footed driver, right? Relax. He's just playing around with other people's lives. This idiot crashes his car into a police car that was trying to catch someone. Arabs drive differently, right? That's the best karma I've ever seen. Is he a magician or what? When your ego is bigger than anything else. This driver in a Lamborghini is going so fast, he merges right into another car. Hopefully, no one gets hurt.
A few moments later.
Good thing he survived, right? That's why you shouldn't play around while driving. The police showed up just in time. Just a small mistake,
plant scientist.
and now there are a lot of expenses to deal with.
Oh, babe, good braking.
I need new pants after that one.
Está gomosa. Ay, mi pie, amor.
What car is that? At first, I thought this wasn't real, but then I looked closer. What's your problem? Can you tell me where this is? Why are people so careless? Good thing that video cut off. Thank goodness he survived. Who gave him a car? You idiot. Can't you use your mirrors? Who's at fault here? Why? I don't know.
4 days before I was leaving, and that's when I rang you, by the way. Not you ringing me. I rang you to confirm I had my 7-seater. Right? Whoa! What are you doing? Bro, what are you doing? This fucking guy. This guy. Bro, what are you doing? What are you fucking mad, bro? No, not you. Sorry, not you. Sorry. So basically, right, no, there was a guy who cut me off. That was not you. Sorry, I'm not talking to you there. So you said to me 16th of July, 4 days.
Merging like that is not a good thing.
A few moments later.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.